All right, everybody, here is your grammar for Wednesday. So please double check yours and make sure you make your corrections using Kami in Google Classroom. So we have place the check by the sentences with the correct subject and verb agreement. So subject is what the sentence is about, usually a noun, person, place, thing, or idea. The verb is the action of the sentence. And they have to go together and work the right way or it doesn't sound right. So dog shows is a great sport for dogs and their owners. Dogs shows? No, it should be dog shows. Dog shows are a great way. Okay, so that one is definitely incorrect. At dog shows, all the dogs are judged to see which dog is the best dog in its breed. At dog shows, all dogs are judged. Yes. The dogs is judged by their overall appearance and their gait or the way they move. Dogs is judged? No. Dogs are judged. That doesn't make any sense, right? Okay. Then for the next part, we're looking at prefixes that come at the beginning of words. And then we're saying, well, what does that word mean? Okay. So we've got pre, re, un, and over. And I always think it's a great idea to write it out. So we have pre, re. Oh, that one's actually under. I didn't see the rest of it. Under, and then over. So if you're in preschool, right, that would be school before you come to elementary school. Near us in Little Mountain, it would be the Holy Trinity Preschool. That's one of the closest ones we have, right? For review, you're going to view it again. Whenever we say, please review that again, it means, well, go look at it again. Go check your study guide. Go look at your multiplication facts again. Underfed. This one is really sad, guys, because it doesn't just apply to people and animals. It applies to people all around the world, that they're not being fed enough. They don't have enough food. In some cases, they don't have enough food to survive. In many countries, people are starving because there just isn't enough to go around, or there isn't enough money for them to have the food. Overworked, that means you work too hard. You might have a sore muscle. You might have hurt your foot or arm doing something. So please be careful with whatever you're working on physically, okay? Your body does have limits, and you have to replenish and rest. For your next one, it says, rewrite the sentence. Ben are entering his dog in the dog show, but Logan will just watch. Okay? We always capitalize the people that are in the sentences, or the places, the specific places, proper nouns, right? Ben are entering? No, Ben is entering his dog in the dog show, comma, conjunction, but Logan will just watch, period. Okay? So then you rewrite it, and you might be retyping it. Ben is entering his dog in the dog show, but Logan will just watch. So guys, it sounds like Logan may also have a dog, but it sounds like he wants to just sit this one out. And maybe the next time he might have his dog compete as well. So we capitalized Ben, we changed R to is, we added a comma, fixed Logan, and added the punctuation at the end. Now we're looking at past tense action verbs. This means they've already happened. So the leaves fall every fall, right? Well, this year we've already seen that I saw that some fell, right? They fell already. Okay, there's the leaves again. Or I'm going to leave. Well, we already left. Okay, let's go fly the plane. No, we flew it before lunch. Come get this book. Well, they already came and got it, right? So those are a little bit different spellings for each of those. And then your last one, the competition is beginning at 9 a.m. on January 14th, 2014. So what should we do here? Oh, I see. Remember how we've talked about double consonants? Well, beginning actually should have two N's in the middle. So we're not going to change is to are. The competition are beginning. Now that could work if you said the competitions, more than one, plural. Delete the comma after 14. Well, that's the month and the day, and then you've got the year, so that needs to stay. We think it's that, and we know it's not that. So it's going to be change beginning to the double N's.